to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do this really colorful look. We're gonna experiment. Okay, this is actually a recreation of B. Marie's sandwich look, eyeshadow look. And yeah, here's my attempt. So I'm starting out with my brows all done, and I'm gonna go in with my P. Louise base in 0.5. Using my Real Technique brush, I'm gonna pat that out on my lid. Now I'm gonna go in with my E&Y All Matte palette, and these are the colors that I'll be using. Okay, so now that I've finished blending that out, and I took some of that green from when I first showed you guys the shadows, I took some of that green and I blended it in the corner of my eyes, and I kind of pull it out because that's how Brie Marie had hers. So now I'm cleaning that up with a makeup wipe, making sure I carve out that crease and make it clean and sharp. I'm holding my lids like ever so gently just to make sure I get everything, because I have hooded eyes and it makes everything so much difficult. Okay, so we're done cutting that crease, and we can go and officially cut the crease with the P. Louise base. And I am using my P. Louise base in white right now to apply and cut the crease. Again, you see me just ever so slightly resting my finger on my lid. That is just so I can see clear and get a neat cut crease. I am not tugging on my skin. I'm just slightly resting my hands. Okay, so we finished cutting the crease and we're blending that shadow, making sure we blend the corners because this is a halo look. Okay, so we only need that top cut. It doesn't have to be cut all the way. All right, so I went in with those same shadows that I used earlier, the purple and the blue, and I'm gonna tap that on there. Okay guys, so I am now gonna go in with some more of that P. Louise base because I realized I brought those shadows too close in and I want a little more space between those shadows, so I'm gonna blend that out and I'm gonna create a nice gradient between the base and the shadows, and later I'm gonna apply some of that green in the inner corner to create that more gradient effect between the two shadows. Okay, so now I've applied some Duo Lash Glue to my lid, and I am going in with some glitter from J. LaRue Cosmetics. I think it's called Gold Digger, and I'm applying that to my lid. making sure to apply it, not concentrate it in one area. I accidentally did this at first, but then I'm gonna go in with some more glue and I'm gonna spread it out more. If you guys see, I'm really taking my time and patting that glitter on there gently, because you don't want that glue to get caught in the brush and mess up your look. Okay guys, so if you notice, I am working in sections with this. I did the top section and now I'm gonna do the bottom section, and making sure that there's no chunky glitter in the middle section where my lid folds, because you don't want the bigger glitters to like affect your eyes in no way, shape, or form. All right, we're almost done with this eye. And child, I was so frustrated creating this look. I know I don't look like it, but this look gave me hell to create, okay? It didn't come out the way I wanted it to come out, but I am gonna go back to the drawing board and figure it out, okay? This is the only lid that I did because I was so tired and my back was hurting and all of that stuff. So I went ahead and I did my own thing on the other eye. I did like a neon pink look on the other eye. It's the same halo look, but yeah, this wasn't fun. This one wasn't fun. It was hard. I failed, but I finished. I failed, but I finished. Okay, I saw that finish line and I crossed it. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty primer and prime my face. I'm gonna prime my face 2 times because I'm currently in this phase where I am paying more attention to my skin in terms of like hyperpigmentation and discoloration. And I just recently did a chemical peel to help remove some of that hyperpigmentation and discoloration. And my pores are open now. So I'm going in with 2 primers to just give me a smoother effect, to like, you know, fill like a pore filler. And I'm going in with the Urban-decay primer now, and this is a very thick, luscious primer. It's super thick. If you notice, I'm like, oh my goodness, I only use 1 pump and it's so much. So yeah, I went ahead and I applied my Too Faced foundation in Cocoa, and I am now applying my Too Faced concealer in Mahogany, and then I'm gonna blend that out off camera, just to make this video faster. I'm gonna blend that out off camera and I'm gonna come back with the bam, okay. So boom, I'm back and I've blended that concealer out and everything is coming together, even though the eyes, you know, y'all know. I'm blending that out, making sure I blend that out properly. And now I'm going to go in with my translucent powder, and this is from Mercier, and this is in the color medium deep. And I'm not gonna bake, I'm just gonna pat that powder on and take it right off. When I am finished doing my makeup, when I'm applying powder, I love to put a little in the beginning of my brow area just to give like a smooth transition and to take away any oil that has been accumulating in my brows. So I just like to pat some of that translucent powder on my brows. Now I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place blush and highlighter palette, and I'm going to apply that to my cheek. I'm highlighting my cheek. I'm going to apply some highlighter to my cheek, and later on I'm going to go in with one of the blush and apply some blush. I really love how it came out, the highlighter and the blush. It really surprised me. I never really used it, but I'm going to be using it more now. I love it. It's beautiful. Guys, excuse the weird faces I'm making because I'm just trying to show up my cheekbone so I can apply that blush and highlighter, okay? Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna apply some bottom lashes. I'm gonna apply about 3 of them, and I'm using the duo lash glue to apply those lashes. All right, so we have applied the lashes. We're gonna go and do some final touch up, and we're done. I'm excited. I made it to the end of this look. I didn't scrap everything and, cancel it, even though it was hard. I still did it. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much, and bye.